I think sometimes students can rush through parts of the application, and that's evident to us because, it's kind of a general response or kind of short. And I think that's a product of procrastination. And I think if you can, pay attention to deadlines, stay on top of those deadlines, get ahead of the process, um, it will allow you to be more thorough, have a, just stronger application in general. My second part being pay attention to deadlines, both application, portfolio, financial aid, all of that. It's very, very important.